Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
How to do belly mapping and know baby's position in the womb. Belly mapping is the process of determining your baby's birthing position at the beginning of the third trimester. Baby's position and its meaning. Number 1. Head downwards. The head down position is when the baby's head is facing the birth canal. Number 2. Breeched. Here, the baby's head faces upwards, and the baby's bottom or feet face downwards. The different types of breech positions include cross-legged, bottom downwards, and feet first. Number 3. Anterior. The anterior position is when the baby is facing the mother's back, and the baby's back is against the mom's belly. Number 4. Posterior. The posterior position is when the baby is facing the mother's belly, and the baby's back is facing the mother's back. When to do belly mapping? Belly mapping should be done in the third trimester after 30 weeks of pregnancy. Steps to do belly mapping. Number 1. Gather the materials. You will need a flat couch or bed to lie on, a large sheet of paper and a pen or pencil. Number 2. Find the baby's head. Relax and gently press on the upper pelvic area above the pubic bone. A hard and round sensation indicates the baby's head, soft and round may be the bottom. Hiccups in the lower abdomen suggest the head is downwards. Identify the head's location by observing movements. Strong kicks and rolls indicate legs, while light fluttering is hands or fingers. Once located, mark the head on paper. Number 3. Locate the baby's back. Move your hands upwards from the baby's head. If you can feel a smooth, hard mass, this is the baby's back. If you cannot locate the back, it could be because the baby is in a posterior position where the baby's back is facing your back. Number 4. Mark the position on paper. Draw a large circle on the paper and divide it into 4 quadrants to figure out the baby's position more easily. Mark the head and back. Number 5. Use a prop doll. Use a baby doll to mirror the position of the baby's head and back to locate the hands and feet. Once done, mark this also on your belly or on the paper to give you the baby's position. Make sure to ask your doctor before taking the steps to belly map your baby.